Hi, I'm Kirsten, and this is my experience of solving a crime using DNA fingerprinting analysis. This is Trevor. He and his mother Linda went on a hike one afternoon. While Linda was taking a bathroom break, Trevor was ambushed by someone in the park. He was then taken to the hospital and is now recovering well. Luckily for us, the suspect got snagged by a thorn bush and left traces of blood behind at the crime scene. Here we have all of our suspects. Apart from Trevor, there were only 4 others that had entered the park in the last 3 days, according to the Rangers' reliable bookkeeping. These people were Linda, Trevor's mom, Jeremy, Abby, and Jane. We are now looking at DNA fingerprints from each suspect, Trevor, and the evidence left at the crime scene. This blood was amplified for 2 VNTR loci and ran on separate gels. This is the fingerprinting for the first locus. To accurately rule out suspects, we need to understand that humans are diploid, meaning that there are 2 alleles at each loci. For example, if we look at Trevor's mother, Linda, she shares one of the same alleles as Trevor, and the other he got from his father. Now, looking at the evidence, we know that the suspect who is guilty will have at least one identical allele at both loci. Based on this knowledge, we can see that neither Linda or Jeremy have an allele that matches the evidence. Therefore, they are both innocent. However, Abby and Jane each have one allele that is identical to the evidence. Moving on to locus 2, we already know that Linda and Jeremy are innocent, so we can look at Abby now. Neither of Abby's alleles match the evidence, so we can assume that she is also innocent. That leaves Jane, who does have one allele that matches the evidence on locus 2. Therefore, Jane was found guilty of ambushing Trevor in the park, as she had one allele from each locus that matched the evidence. As the story goes, Jane had been lost for 2 days and was in desperate need of food. Unfortunately, if she had just asked Trevor, I am sure he would have been willing to help. Fortunately, rest assured for Trevor and his mom now that we have solved this case.